I'm getting a shower. Hello everyone, well, welcome back to the Cargo channel. Welcome to another beautiful day in the sunny state of California. Today we have a small project. A while back I used the Suvneer restoration kit to clean up my headlights, and I'm gonna link that up here. But just so you know, this time we're gonna use a drill. Thank God we have Kevin behind the camera who brought a drill because I don't own one. And we're gonna use a 3M headlight restoration kit as well as Maguire's clear coat for headlights. That's what it is, headlights. I'm gonna have them linked below as well as some tape and these spray bottles because they are good for holding water. And I think we're wet sanding if I'm not mistaken, so let's get into it. First thing, I gotta tape the headlights and we'll get to the rest. Use good tape because last time I didn't and I suffered from it. I don't anticipate going all over here, but you know, better be safe than sorry, and it's just fresh paint, so I'm sure it's gonna get off if I go with it with sandpaper. Directions for use. They say to use it. It is very detailed, and if you don't know what you're doing, read them twice. I've already read them none, so let's go. Okay, so we're gonna use the P500 grit sand disk. Sounds like a USB flash drive, but I know. We're gonna use the drill. We're gonna go sand this until we get all the yellowing out. So 500 is the lowest grit, and that's the coarsest. We're gonna use that to get all the contamination out of the headlight, all the imperfections, and sand all the scratches. I'll go ahead and do that now. And it's set to use light pressure on it, so not too hard, okay? So what you're looking for is this milky texture, milky look, no inconsistencies. The swirl marks are okay because we're gonna buff those out with later higher grits, but that's ideally what you're looking for. And I'm gonna go do the other one and I'll get back to this one with the higher grit. Okay, I lost my cameraman because he went to mask his own headlights, and next step is 800 grit. We put that. We're gonna with the 800 grit we're gonna buff the scratches down by the 500 grit, and I'm too close to the camera. Anyway, and I'll catch you after we do the 800 grit. All right, we're on the 3000 disc, and we're using our spray bottle to wet the surface. This is the wet sanding part. If the surface gets dry, we use more agua, water. So it's still gonna be milky, but it's getting a lot less scratches. So our goal is to get all these scratches out with the 3000 grit, and then we're gonna use the compound to polish the remaining fine scratches out.
Well, they're looking better.
Definitely better.
Yes. Can't get worse.
Or can it?
I don't know, we'll see.
Alright, here goes nothing. The thing with doing it in the car wash is the overspray from people washing their cars helps with lubrication. There are actually some deep scratches that I cannot fix with any type of kit. That can be fixed only by changing the lens, but we'll do our best to fix as many as we can with the kit. Alright, next step would be putting compound, rubbing compound. We put a dime size, not that we have a dime, but we'll put this much on. And then we're gonna use the applicator before we start the drill to just smear it on the headlight. And then we're gonna start rubbing it in. Yeah. And we're gonna do this until we get a good clarity out of the headlight. I think we did a decent job. Let's wipe it. I see it's decently clear. It has a little chip over here, but we can't do anything about that at this point. We're gonna go over this side right here. Alright, most of the scratches are gone. We're gonna do the rest of the headlights, and then we're gonna apply Maguire's sealant or clear coat, headlight coating. And this has also UV protection, so they won't go yellow in like the first day. Probably would have another good half a year out of this, but let me finish this up. These are gonna get less than a dime, so I don't know what currency that will be. We'll do a little dot on the pad. Boom, like new, right? Yes. Whoa! I got excited.
Oh, Jesus.
The faster you do it, the faster you finish, right?
We hope so. Well, they do look significantly better.
No, wait till you see this. Hold my beer. We're done compounding. They look a lot clearer, but now we're gonna go over them with the clear coat. But the clear coat says it's gonna take 24 hours to cure. So what we're gonna do first is wash the car, because we're gonna go for a photo shoot in a few minutes, and we don't want to have a dirty car while doing a photo shoot. So let's go wash the car, and then we'll apply Maguire's clear coat. All right, car is clean and shined, and the headlights look good, very good. It's like day and night. I messed up and didn't hit the record button on the camera, but we went over with 2 coats of this Maguire clear coat. And that's what sealed the headlight and gave it the clear view. So yeah, you can see it is much clearer than before. I can actually see there are some marks inside, but those are from the inside of the headlight, and those cracks can only be fixed by changing the lens. I'm gonna link this and the kit from 3M down in the descriptions if you guys want to do your headlights. I think it actually came out better than the Suvneer restoration kit, but yeah, drill makes miracles. Alright, if you like today's video and it's stuck all the way to the end, hit the subscribe and bell buttons, and those thumb up will help me a lot as well. See you in the next one. Bye!